to Talk Mandarin with Mavis. Have you ever said something like, I heard she got a new job. I heard there's a sale at the store. Or I heard this drink is so good, but it's sold out everywhere. In English, we say I heard all the time. But how do you say this naturally in Mandarin Chinese? Today, I'm going to teach you 2 super common and useful ways to do just that. 听说 or 听 plus someone plus 说. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly when to use which one, how to make your own sentences, and how people actually use these in Mandarin Chinese. So let's go. Alright, first up, let's talk about 听说. You'll hear this one all the time in Taiwanese Mandarin. It's a must know if you want to sound natural when sharing something you've heard. 听 means to hear, 说 means to say. So together, 听说 literally means hearsay. Yep, just like the English word hearsay. But here's the difference. In Mandarin, it's actually used all the time, not just in legal dramas. We use 听说 when you're passing on information you heard somewhere, but you're not saying exactly who told you. It's vague, but that's the point. It's kind of like saying, word on the street is, I heard, people are saying. It helps you sound casual, curious, and even a little bit gossipy without taking full responsibility for the info. 听说他搬去台中了。听说这家火锅很有名耶。听说你最近开始健身啊。Notice how you're not saying who told you, and that's totally fine. Actually, it's pretty common in Taiwanese Mandarin to start a conversation like this without sounding too nosy. But what if you do want to say where the information came from? That's when this comes in. 听 plus someone plus 说. Now you're giving credit to your source. Think, I heard from my sister or I heard from my friend. 我听我妈说你要结婚了。我听朋友说这部电影超好哭。我听主管说这个月底前要交报告。In fast speech, Taiwanese people usually drop 我 I if the subject is obvious. So you might hear, 听她说你最近去日本。Heard from her you went to Japan. It's casual, natural, and used in daily conversation all the time. Let me show you a few super common patterns that Taiwanese people use with these phrases. 听说 plus someone plus did something. 听说你分手了. I heard you broke up. This pattern is usually used to check on someone or to start a more sensitive topic gently. 听谁说的? Who told you that? This one is casual, sometimes playful, and sometimes serious. Try replying, 听朋友说的啦. It's just something I heard from a friend. 真的假的? For real? Serious? A super common response after hearing a 听说 sentence. Example, 听说你中了乐透. I heard you won the lottery. 真的假的? 听谁说的? For real? Who told you that? In Taiwan, 听说 isn't just about what you've heard. It's a gentle way to start a conversation, to bring up a topic, or even to gossip without sounding too direct. It creates a little distance between you and the info. So if it turns out to be wrong, you can just say, 哎呦，我只是听说的啦. Hey, that's what I heard. It's super versatile and great for sounding more natural in everyday chats. Let's quickly review what we learned. 听说 plus info means I heard that. 听 plus someone plus 说 plus info means I heard from someone that. Your turn now. In the comments, write one sentence using either 听说 or 听 someone 说. Like, 我听说你最近在学中文 or 听朋友说你超会唱歌耶. I'll be reading and replying to your comments and correcting if needed. And if you found this lesson useful, feel free to subscribe, like, or share it with someone who's also learning Mandarin. Bye, 下次见。